Hello, my love. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin by grounding ourselves. Gently sink your hips back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward and let your forehead rest softly on the mat. Take a deep, slow breath in and let all the tension melt away as you exhale. Inhale calm and exhale tension. Now transform into a cat-cow. Inhale as you drop your belly, lifting your chest towards the sky for cow. And exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling. Tuck your chin toward your chest for cat. Move smoothly with your own breath. Continue moving through spine. Now tuck your toes, lift your hip high, and find your way into downward facing dog. Take a moment here to pedal your feet, bending one knee and then the other. Gently walking off your calves and hamstring. Now bring your right knee forward behind your right wrist for pigeon pose. Extend your left leg straight back behind you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, gently fold forward to release deep tension in the hips. Repeat it to the other side. Now slide forward onto your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders. Press the tops of your feet into the mat. And on an inhalation, gently lift your chest upward into cobra pose. Keep your shoulders relaxed, away from your ears. Extend both legs straight out in front of you. Sit nice and tall. Inhale as you reach your arms up toward the sky. And as you exhale, hang from your hips to fold forward. Reach for your shin, ankles or toes, keeping your spine long and letting your chest melt toward your legs. Now lower yourself gently down onto your back. Draw both knees in toward your chest and give yourself a loving, tight hug. And finally, release your legs long and wide. Let your arms rest by your side with your palms facing up. Close your eyes, let go of your breath control, and completely surrender into a Savasana pose.